Hmm. Have you ever walked into a dentist's office and suddenly forgotten how to speak English? It happens to more people than you think. But today, that's going to change. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly what native English speakers say during a real dental appointment. So listen carefully, repeat every sentence, and shadow the conversation just like an American. Hi, I'm Alice, and welcome to Chris Verse, where you improve your English through real-life shadowing practice. Now, take a deep breath, and let's step inside the dentist's office together. Receptionist. Good morning. Welcome to Bright Smile Dental Clinic. How can I help you today? Patient. Hi, I have an appointment with Dr. Wilson at 10 o'clock. Receptionist. Great. May I have your full name, please? Patient. Sure, it's Michael Carter. Receptionist. Thank you. I found your appointment. Could you please confirm your phone number and email address? Patient. Of course. Everything is still the same. Receptionist. Perfect. Please have a seat. The doctor will see you shortly. Dental assistant. Hello, Michael. Please come with me. Patient. Thank you. Dental assistant. Have you been having any pain or discomfort recently? Patient. Yes. My back tooth has been hurting whenever I eat something cold or sweet. Dental assistant. I understand. We'll take a quick look today. Please sit back and make yourself comfortable. Patient. All right. Thank you. Dental assistant. I'll let the dentist know you're ready. Dentist. Good morning, Michael. I'm Dr. Wilson. Nice to see you again. Patient. Nice to see you too, doctor. Dentist. So, tell me what's bothering you today. Patient. I've had a toothache for about 3 days. It hurts when I drink cold water. Dentist. I see. Let's examine your teeth first. Please open your mouth wide. Patient. Like this? Dentist. Yes, that's perfect. Just relax while I check everything carefully. Dentist. I can see a small cavity in your back tooth. Patient. Is it serious? Dentist. No, it's still small, so we can fix it with a simple filling today. Patient. Will it hurt? Dentist. Not at all. I'll use a local anesthetic so you won't feel any pain during the procedure. Patient. That's a relief. I was a little nervous. Dentist. Don't worry. We'll make sure you're comfortable the whole time. Dentist. First, you'll feel a tiny pinch from the injection. After that, your mouth will become numb. Patient. Okay, I'm ready. Dentist. Excellent. Just raise your hand if you feel uncomfortable at any time. Patient. I will. Dentist. You're doing great. The procedure will only take a few minutes. Patient. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly. That really helps me feel relaxed. Dentist. All done. The filling looks great. Patient. That was much easier than I expected. Dentist. I'm glad to hear that. Please avoid eating anything for the next 2 hours until the numbness wears off. Patient. Sure. Is there anything else I should do? Dentist. Brush gently, floss every day, and avoid too many sugary snacks. That will help keep your teeth healthy. Patient. When should I come back for another checkup? Dentist. I recommend visiting every 6 months for regular cleaning and examination. Patient. That sounds good. Can I schedule my next appointment today? Dentist. Absolutely. Our receptionist will help you before you leave. Patient. Perfect. Thank you very much, doctor. Dentist. You're welcome. Take care, and have a wonderful day. Receptionist. How was your appointment today? Patient. It went really well. Everyone was very kind and professional. Receptionist. I'm happy to hear that. Your next appointment is scheduled for February 10th at 9:30 in the morning. Patient. Great. I'll be here. Receptionist. Wonderful. Here's your appointment card. Please call us if you need to make any changes. Patient. I certainly will. Excellent work. You just completed another real-life English shadowing lesson. Listen again. Copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation just like a native speaker. The more you shadow, the more confident your English will become. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Chris Verse, and tell us in the comments where you'd like to practice English next. I'll see you in the next shadowing lesson. Keep practicing and keep speaking English every day.